Aramazing. I'm Aramina, an actress, wife, mom, health advocate, and entrepreneur. Nalaman ko yung products through social media. You know naman nowadays, through social media natin nalalaman ng products. I always looking for mga products na talagang healthy siya, lalo na kasi nagkaroon na ako ng anak. So gusto ko yung mga kinakain namin sa bahay, healthy. First impression ko, na-curious ako about Asay. Sabi ko, what is that? Parang gusto kong ma-try. So, lagi akong yung curiosity na yon, yun yung nag-i-eager sa akin talagang dapat matry ko yung product. And when I tried it, sabi ko, oh, amazing. Part siya naging daily routine ko kasi hindi nyo man natatanungin, hindi ako ma-water intake. So, naghahanap ako ng alternative ng drinks na healthy, which is itong acai berry with bacopa. And then sa acai berry kasi, hindi nyo natatanungin, nung pandemic umiinom ako nito. Nung nakalakiin ako sa taping namin ng Probinsyano. Kasi takot na takot ako magka-COVID. Dahil nga, isa kami sa first show na nag-risk mag-taping. Kasi di ba dapat walang taping. Pero nag-risk kami lumabas ng bahay. I need to take all the vitamins or anything na I can take para hindi ako magkasakit. And thank God, I survived. Hindi po ako nagka-COVID until now. So, iyan po yung parang naging daily juice ko nung nasa work ako sa Laking Taping yung acai berry. And it really helps me a lot. Well, of course, drinking this acai berry, I'm not getting any younger. I have a kid. And I'm planning also to have another kid very soon. So, I need to have more strength and para sa work ko and para sa kids ko. Talagang i-claim ko na, no? I have a stepdaughter also. So, kailangan kong maging malakas para sa pamilya ko and para sa work ko and sa mga taong natutulungan ko din. And it's for myself also. You need to take care of yourself. Kumbaga, hindi lang para sa mga mahal mo sa buhay, para rin sa sarili mo. You need to take care of your health. What do you think of me? What do you think of me? I don't want to imply, pero maraming nagsasabi, iba yung changes ko, iba yung look ko ngayon, parang iba yung skin ko ngayon, iba yung... Basta parang hindi daw ako na nasa age ko, para daw akong, nung time ko, mga 20s, 20s, o diba? Siguro yan, living a healthy life. Talagang, you need to choose what is right for you, what is good for you, lalo na if you have a family, if you love yourself. Sabi ko nga, I don't want to endorse na hindi ko iniinom ang isang bagay. I was really shocked kasi iniinom ko siya talaga. As in talagang, oh, wow! I've been drinking this for years. Talaga. And they've been asking me, saan ako kumukuha? Sabi ko, bumibili ako. Honestly, may na-try akong ibang brand na may acai. Hindi ko alam kung baka magka-diabetes ako. Hindi ko siya talaga nagustuhan. And then, aside doon, syempre, yung wala akong naririnig ding reviews. Kailangan din kasi magustuhan ko yung lasa eh. At saka, ma-prove ko after drinking it. Parang malalaman mo naman yun eh, pag nainom mo na. So, hindi ko na siya tinuloy. So, na-compare ko siya talaga yung difference niya. Basta yung effects ng acai berry, naramdaman ko agad eh. Pag naramdaman mo yung benefits niya, i-continue mo talaga inumin eh. You will not continue na inumin siya pag wala kang nararamdaman. So, that's why continue ko siyang iniinom. I feel better, I look better, I think I need to keep drinking acai berry. I can say drinking acai berry is amazing in life. My message is you can try it for yourself so you can see the benefits of acai berry. I am Aramina and I am worldwide.